Welcome to Magic Monday, a day to spark your curiosity and ignite your creativity with the latest in AI and technology. Every Monday, we delve into the magic of AI, exploring new frontiers and unlocking the potential of technology. Hit like and subscribe for a weekly dose of inspiration and innovation. Let's start the week with a leap into the future.
AI shocks. Again, unveiling the latest breakthrough tools. Welcome to another episode of AI Shocks. Again, where we dive into the cutting-edge developments in artificial intelligence. Today, we're bringing you the latest and most exciting AI tools that are revolutionizing the tech world. AI breakthroughs are changing the world at an unprecedented pace in 2024, reshaping industries and redefining what's possible. Let's get started! Artificial intelligence has always promised to transform the world, but developing these tools isn't without its challenges. From ensuring data privacy and security to achieving human-like understanding and interaction, the journey to perfect AI is fraught with complexities. These challenges have significant implications for society, influencing everything from ethical considerations to economic impacts. Developers face hurdles, such as creating AI that can generalize from limited data, ensuring transparency in decision-making processes, and avoiding biases that can lead to unfair outcomes. Despite these obstacles, the relentless pursuit of innovation continues to drive the AI field forward, pushing the boundaries of what's achievable. Now let's dive into the specific breakthrough tools making waves in 2024. First up, we have Safari AI. This powerful tool by Apple is designed to enhance your browsing experience. Safari AI uses advanced machine learning algorithms to offer personalized content recommendations, improve search accuracy, and provide real-time translation. With its robust privacy features, Safari AI ensures your data remains secure while delivering a seamless browsing experience. Next, let's talk about AlphaFold 3, the latest iteration of DeepMind's groundbreaking protein folding AI. AlphaFold 3 has taken biological research to new heights by predicting complex protein structures with unprecedented accuracy. This revolutionary tool is paving the way for new drug discoveries, advancements in medical research, and a deeper understanding of fundamental biological processes. Now let's move on to Alexa AI by Amazon. The latest version of Alexa AI is smarter, more intuitive, and even more integrated into our daily lives. Amazon has introduced several new features, including enhanced voice recognition, improved natural language processing, and better contextual understanding. Alexa AI can now manage your smart home, provide personalized recommendations, and even assist with professional tasks, making it an indispensable part of modern living. Speaking of AI assistants, Microsoft has launched MAI-1, their new AI-powered virtual assistant. MAI-1 stands out with its advanced capabilities in productivity and collaboration. It seamlessly integrates with Microsoft Office, enabling users to automate tasks, manage schedules, and collaborate in real time. With MAI-1, Microsoft is redefining workplace efficiency and transforming how we interact with digital tools. And that's not all. Google has made a massive leap by releasing 12 new AI tools. These tools cover a wide range of applications, from advanced image recognition and natural language processing to cutting-edge augmented reality and AI-driven data analytics. Google's new suite of AI tools promises to empower developers, enhance user experiences, and drive innovation across various industries. Among all these innovations, the most revolutionary breakthrough has to be AlphaFold 3. Its ability to predict protein structures with such high accuracy is not just a technological marvel, but a potential game-changer for the medical and pharmaceutical industries. AlphaFold 3's implications for disease understanding and drug development could lead to cures and treatments for conditions that have long eluded scientists. This breakthrough tool is set to make a significant impact on healthcare and beyond. To sum up, 2024 has brought us some truly remarkable AI tools. From Safari AI's personalized browsing to AlphaFold 3's medical breakthroughs, Alexa AI's enhanced integration, MAI-1's productivity boost, and Google's comprehensive suite of AI tools, the advancements are truly astounding. These tools not only demonstrate the potential of AI, but also highlight the transformative impact it can have across various fields. Thank you for joining us on AI Shocks again. If you enjoyed this episode and want to stay updated on the latest AI advancements and technology trends, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the incredible world of artificial intelligence.